Hello everyone, so my name is Rohit and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here in this video we will be solving some Python programs on list, as we have already solved some programs on list. So we will be continuing this thing. So without wasting time, let's start. So yeah, so this is heading. So we will take a problem where we will be solving Python program to reverse a list. So Python program to reverse a list. So here we will see how to reverse a list. Why this element happening? Two. Okay. Python program to reverse a list. So what we will do, we will take a function give a name reverse, and here we will pass one argument, that is list. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take a written function in which we will tell that element for element in reversed lst, that is the object which we will be creating. Okay, so we have to take a list here because we want to return a list. Okay, so now, so this is the compressed technique compression technique in which we have compressed our code within a one line. So here we will be taking 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so let's check what happens. Okay, we need to print this thing here and print reverse lst. Okay, so see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. We have reversed the string. So the another we can use one more technique to reverse a string. For example, I'll copy this thing and I'll print here, and here I can print lst will happen lst. So here just use this thing. See, so if, in first cell, what we did, we created a function named reverse in which we passed an argument lst, and then we returned this thing. And with that means we could use here for loop, and in which we would have used this thing. But we have compressed this code within this return function. So here, with the help of this reversed function, we reverse this list, right, with this reverse function. But in this next cell, what we did, we use the reverse slicing. So in this slicing, what I did, so I initialize a list in which I given a list, then I given an integer number within this square bracket, and then we printed this list, and within this printed we use the slicing function. This in this slicing, this -1 indicates the reverse from right to left string. So here finally we get the reverse string of the original string. So in this way we can reverse the list. So let's take the another example where okay, so it is nothing but a Python program to count occurrences of an element in a list. Okay, so Python program to count occurrences of a element in a list. So what we will do, we will create a list first of all. So we'll take fruits. So within this fruits list, first fruit will be apple, the other one will be obviously banana, and then banana, one more chiku. And then afterwards, what we can take one more time, we will take apple. Okay, apple, and then banana, again banana, again chiku. Okay, so now what we did, we created an object in which we store a list of fruits, and we need to check the occurrences of the fruits. So I'll create one more object here, and in this I will use a value its fruits dot count, and I will give here, I want the count of this fruit. So fruits. Okay, there was a spelling mistake. See, so we have apple two times. Okay, what we will do, we will add one more time here. Now let's check. So see, three. Now here we will use banana. Banana is two times. Okay, so in this way, with the help of this count function, we can count the occurrences of an element in a list, right? if you want to know the count of a particular element, then we can take that particular item element into the count function, and with the help of count function we can count the occurrences. Okay, so now we'll take another example. Here we'll write a Python program to find the sum of elements in a. So yeah, so Python program to find the sum of elements in a list. So we need to we need to find the sum of the elements of the all elements within a list. So for example, we have an object, and in which we have numbers, integers, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we have this many numbers, and we will create one more object, and in which we will use sum function. And here I will give this thing, and we are going to print of. Okay, got it. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 9 45. So with the help of this sum function, we can do the sum of all elements within a list. Okay, so yeah, so this was a very small program. Now let's take one more, and here we will take a program to multiply all numbers in a list. Okay, so Python program to multiply all numbers in the list. Okay, so Python program to multiply all numbers in list. We use here sum, but we can't use multiply function. So what we'll do, we'll create a function, and we will give the name multiply list. Okay, and I'll pass an argument here. Okay, and then e equals to 1 for I in n, and for I in n a equals to e into I. Okay, so return a, return a, and now I will create an object n, and with it I will store numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's take small numbers. 1 2 the 2 2 3 the 6. Okay, so now here I give print multiply list, and okay, something is wrong here. So multiply list n a equals to n for I in e. Okay, let me. Okay, yeah. So see, we created a multiply list function, and in which we passed an argument n, and n is nothing but an object which we created an object, and in which we stored the list. And here what we did, we created one more object a, and in which we stored 1. So we given a for loop for I in a, even it, whatever iteration is there in a n, and that will be multiplied with the a. A is nothing but 1 here. So let's say we have I is 1, I into 1, 1 I is 1, and a is 1. So 1 into 1 1. So 1 is stored in 2. Now I is 2. So 2 into 1, because a 1 is stored in 2, 1 is stored in a. So 2 into 1 2. Now I is 3. So I into 2 6, and now I is 4, 4 into 6 24. So this is the logic behind this multiply program. Okay, so now one more uh, one more program we will take, and here, so let's take the heading. Okay, so okay. So we'll take a program here to find the smallest and largest number in a list without minimum and maximum function, without using the minimum and maximum function. Okay, so we'll write a Python program to find the smallest and largest number in a list without min max function. Okay, so let's start. So we'll create list 1, and list includes 10 20 4 4 and 45. I'm just taking random numbers. Okay, so I created a list, and in that we stored the integer. Now list one dot sort. This thing we already tried, and with the help of the sorting, and now we'll print list one, and then with the help of we are going to print the largest element in list one. We will use slicing. Here we will take the index of last number. Okay, so we had a list which was unordered, and with the help of sort function we ordered that list. And then as we ordered, so the first number means it was in the order was in ascending order, so the very last number which was on index -1 was the largest element. So in this way we found the largest number in the list without min max function. Okay, so for smallest what we will do, we will use zeroth index smallest. Okay, see, got it. With the slicing, with slicing we can find the largest and smallest number. Okay, so next one more program we will take, and it is a very simple program, so this is fun. Python program to find the area of circle. Okay, this is amazing. So we need to write a Python program to find the area of a circle. So the very first what we'll do, we'll create a function area of. Okay, so simple name will be find area. Okay, here what we'll do, we'll pass some arguments. So pi is and one argument, and r will be and one argument. Okay, so now uh, and here we'll create an object in which we'll store the formula, that is nothing but pi into r raised to square of r, pi into r square. So okay, so now we will print, we are going to print find area, and we will initialize the values 3.14 for pi and 5 for r. But one thing what we forgot here is return area. Okay, so see 78.5. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have understood the programs which we practiced here. So yeah, so that's it for now, and thank you for watching this video if you have come till the end of this video.